Hey everybody, KeithOutdoors.com. I'm doing this one vertical on purpose. I see a lot of YouTubers who come here on holiday or come and do a 30-day thing here, and they talk about how handicap accessible everything is because they have a little ramp here. Okay? First off, I don't know how you're going to get your wheelchair through here. This sign actually happens to be far enough over. If you look up here, you couldn't possibly get a wheelchair through here. Most people in wheelchairs that live in Pattaya, anyhow, they have little electric scooters that are attached to their wheelchair. I've never seen them before in the United States. They're really cool. They're a front wheel, and it's got a pretty powerful battery. But the only place that a wheelchair has a sidewalk that you could possibly use in Pattaya is going to be along Beach Road. This one happens to be wider than most. We look across the street there, you see the telephone pole. Well, there's no way that a wheelchair is getting in between that. Look at the street sign pole. This one, they actually put the street sign to the side. But up ahead of me, you see the poles are right in the middle of the sidewalk. Same over there. There's another street sign one. Yes, there's a lot of people that live here in wheelchairs, but you'll see them going down the road. You will not see them up on the sidewalks. All ATMs, and let's see if we can find one, will be at, here's a old 7-Eleven closed. Every 7-Eleven has at least 2 or 3 steps up because of the flooding. Okay, they're not trying to hinder handicapped people. It's just the way Pattaya is. And then the 7-Elevens will have ATMs. And here again, you've got to be able to get up them steps to get to the ATM. And it's just part of life. If you come here, you learn this, you know it, you understand it. I mean, yes, like I said, there's plenty of handicapped people, but just because they have a little ramp on a sidewalk doesn't make it handicap accessible. And this is another problem. All right, first off, that you couldn't get a wheelchair up that little ramp anyhow. But then you couldn't use the sidewalk. Keep going down here a little bit. And like I said, I'm not complaining. I'm just wanting people to understand if you come here and you are wheelchair bound, you're going to be in the road most of the time. And like I said, people come here, you know, there's lots of them here, so it's not like it's inaccessible. I mean, as a person who has 2 good working legs, I got to be careful because all this is uneven. It erodes up underneath. Every building is going to have a lip like that, okay? It's to keep water out. It's not to keep handicapped people out. I should be walking on that side. I see all the poles in the middle of the sidewalk. I'm trying to find a 7-Eleven, and I opened one. Hey, a bird. Here again. And everything's open. And most of the handicapped that I've seen, or I've talked to, or I've had friends that talk to, you know, they have an assistant, they have a helper. Like I said, you're not getting, unless you go to the mall and plan your day, you're not getting an ATM. Here again, ATM machines are electric, and they know they flood until they push everything up. See steps up to there, the laundry. A lot of the apartments, especially the older stuff, don't have lifts. Matter of fact, a lot of stuff we were just looking at, as y'all know, I just moved. They didn't have lifts. Now the building I'm in has a lift, and I'm on the 6th floor. And once again, I am not saying that Thailand's not for handicapped people. It's just know where you're going, know how you're going to get around. Like I said, I really love this little electric. I'll try to find one now that I've said it. I won't be able to find one now because I'm looking for one. But they're really cool. And they clip along. I mean, they do 20, 30 miles an hour with them. Okay, I turned too soon. Hope this road goes through. Yeah, I think we're coming up to the barbecue places. See, now here, they have a ramp. I'd be willing to bet you that isn't for a handicap, but that you better have somebody push you. Okay, well, it looks like I'm gonna get kicked back out on the 3rd road. There's Honda's just over there. Yeah, I'm gonna get kicked back out on the 3rd road. I knew I'd turned down too soon. I'm gonna put it on hold. I'll be right back with you.